In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink and relink Microsoft OneDrive. If OneDrive is acting up, stuck syncing, or connected to the wrong account, unlinking and then relinking it is a clean way to reset the connection without deleting your files in the cloud. Your files that are already backed up to OneDrive online will stay safe. We're just disconnecting and reconnecting this computer. First, look for the OneDrive icon on your Windows taskbar. It's usually in the bottom right corner, near the clock, and looks like a little cloud. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive menu, then select the Settings option. This is where we'll manage the connection for this device. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Here you'll see information about the account that's currently linked to OneDrive on this computer. Look for the option that lets you unlink or disconnect this PC. When you click it, Windows may show a confirmation message explaining that your files will remain in OneDrive online and that the local OneDrive folder will stop syncing. Confirm that you want to proceed. After unlinking, OneDrive will stop syncing, and it may prompt you to sign in again. At this point, it's a good idea to open File Explorer and find your old OneDrive folder, usually located in your user folder. Your existing files will still be there locally. If you want to keep them as a backup, you can leave them as they are or move them to another folder before you relink. Now, to relink OneDrive, click the cloud icon again, or open OneDrive from the Start menu. You'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your details, then follow the prompts. OneDrive will ask where you want your OneDrive folder to live on this computer. You can accept the default location or choose a different folder if you prefer more control over where your files are stored. Once you confirm the location, OneDrive will reconnect and begin syncing your files again. You'll see the sync status by clicking the cloud icon and checking for the green check marks on your files and folders. Give it some time, especially if you have a lot of data. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully unlinked and then relinked Microsoft OneDrive on your computer.